Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to untag and remove the color code from a folder on the Find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Find application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the Find application. And now in the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to tag and color code. In this tutorial, we will reverse that tutorial. So what we can do is go to each and every individual folder to untag and remove the color codes. But that may take a long time depending on how many folders have been color coded. So what we can do is let's now navigate to the side navigation menu. In this tutorial, we did only tag a couple of folders. So let's now primarily focus heavily on those folders. Let's go to the red folders. Let's go to the red tags. And let's click on Computer Science Videos Limited. Right click. Remove red. So that's gone. Go back one, go back forward, my YouTube channel, remove red, so that will be gone in a few seconds. As you see on screen, that's gone. Go to the orange color code, right click, remove orange, and that has now disappeared on screen. Let's go back one again, and there we go. Those folders that were color coded and tagged now no longer have the tag as well as the color code, which has been removed. So we can now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.